All right, everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today, a little change of pace. Worked on some more piping with a different coworker. Nick was gone, so I was helping out Luke. So we worked on this pipe, the 3-inch, 2-inch, and 3/4-inch pipe. And I'll go ahead and show you here in a second. Pretty much mostly all of it, but I circled it on a picture, and then I'll show you exactly what we did. But worked on all the 3/4 today, and then putting the 90s back on the 3-inch and 2-inch, and then extending out some of the 3/4, which are going up through the roof. So I'll show you that in a second, but here's the 3 and the 2-inch that we basically put the 90s back on with the little stubs going through the wall, and then the 45s. So those were all disconnected this morning. And then these were all the 3/4. Like I said, we did all the 3/4 today. He bent all of them and I was hanging them. So actually, even part of that, we double teamed hanging some of those. But with the 90, the 3/4 had the 90s and then the offset. And then over here on this side, at the beginning of the day, we worked on the other side of it, and there was 3 chunks missing. They had to basically raise the rack up last week, or actually a couple days ago. I'm out of it, but they had to raise the rack because it was a little too low. So that's kind of why we're adjusting this and fixing this morning. And I will show you right here what exactly we did. And we had to pull out, we had a baloney cord running through one of the pipes, and we had to pull it out and then pull a string in with it, and then refeed the baloney cord once we got the pipe back in, which was kind of intense. But anyways, we got it. I'm not sure how much longer is left in this video. Okay, it's about over. So anyways, so basically this is what we finished here at the end of the day, or at the beginning of the day, before we started doing all the piping, putting the 90s back on and bending the 3/4. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Don't forget to check the description, like, subscribe, and vote for Joanne in the description below. Thanks, guys. Peace out.